Hello my Foodie Phonics friends. I hope you're all as excited as I am for our next cooking adventure today. But first, let's have a look at the letter of the alphabet that we're going to learn about today. I'll just get my board from back here to show you letter F. I'll take it off the board so you can have a closer look. Letter F makes a F sound in words. If you can tuck your bottom lip in under your teeth, you can make the F sound for letter F. Let's have a look on my table to see what I have that starts with a F sound. I'll just put letter F back on the board and put the board back here. We'll start with these beautiful feathers. F for feathers. Birds have feathers on their body, like Phoebe in the corner over there. Feathers for Phoebe. Feathers help to keep birds warm in the cold weather and dry in the rainy weather, and feathers help birds to fly. I also have a book with a picture of fish. There are many different kinds of fish, but they are all fish. F for fish. This little book over here in the middle has a picture of a frog. F for frog. Up the front, I have a fairy. F for fairy. Isn't she pretty? And she has flowers with her. F for flowers. Maybe you grow flowers in your garden. Or if you don't have a garden, maybe you sometimes see flowers in the shop. Over here, I have a little container with floss inside. F for floss. We use floss to help us clean our teeth. We use the top of the container to snap it off like that, and then we use it to clean our teeth. Floss. F for floss. There are two numbers that start with a F sound. This is number 4. Shall we count 4 fingers? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4 for number 4. The other number that starts with a F sound is number 5. Let's count 5 fingers. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. Righto, I'm sure you're ready for today's baking. I know I am. And the best thing is, there's no cooking, so you can help Mummy and Daddy or Granny and Grandpa or Uncle and Auntie to help make the fudge for our figs. That's right, we're having fudgy figs today. Shall I show you which ingredients I used to make the fudge? I started with some cocoa, just 1 spoon. Then I added a spoon of peanut butter. If you can't eat peanut butter, you can use tahini instead. Then I added another spoon of butter and a banana, and I added some cinnamon and some vanilla essence. And last, I added some honey to make it really fudgy. And then I had to put the container of fudge into the fridge. I made it nice and smooth and shiny like this by blending all of those ingredients in my blender. And then I put it in the fridge to make it fudgy. Right, that's how I made the fudge. So quick, so easy, and so healthy. I don't have fresh figs with me today. I have dried figs. And I'm going to show you what they look like inside. I'm going to use my knife over here to cut them onto my plate. There we are. Now I can show you all the little seeds inside the fig. They're really crunchy like a biscuit. So tasty with the sweet flesh of the fig. Okay, I think we're ready to put some fudge on that fig. Are you? A little bit of fudge. And we spread it onto the fig. Yummy! I'm going to have a taste, so just give me a minute while I eat this fudgy fig. That was so tasty. I can't wait to have another. The seeds inside the fig made it really crunchy. And the smooth, sweet fudge sauce made it so creamy. Those really are delicious fudgy figs. I can't wait for you to try them, and be sure to let me know what you thought of them. If you would like some more Foodie Phonics fun with me, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now, Foodie Phonics.